ka Shillong Lajong FC ka club ka bapau nam bha bat ka badeiru ka club ka balayo bha ya ka jingit ka baskem naki pai ba ka rik hasi chantia bat jong ka jilla Meghalaya hi bro ko we haka khatkandai tarik no pra arhajal arpusau ka dei ka sin baningkong e ba ka Shillong Lajong FC ka lej Banyalekai shabar ka jilla haka I League 2024 kata Hanong ba Delhi Hamahilpur Football Stadium haka ni ka JINGIALEHKAI la UWEI ba ka JINGIALEHKAI ka Delhi FC PYRSHAH ya ka Shillong Lajong FC kalong ka baya khai bha habala UWEI ba ka Delhi FC kalayo ban pinki jar tang haka minit ka bahinyo lingba UWEI kat ba ka Shillong Lajong FC pat kalayo ban pinye khai lingba uprangki buam haka minit ka balai pusau jong ka first half jong ka JINGIALEHKAI dei ha ka minit ka basan pusau ba USSD binong ka Delhi FC ula thep yang ya ka gol ka baar bat bot sa ka gol jong UH jangra ha ka minit ka bahanriu punriu bat dei na ka ne ka gol ba ka Delhi FC ka la KHUR no ya ka lai point na ka Shillong Lajong FC ka Delhi FC lingba ka jingjob ya ka Shillong Lajong ka la kiu ka kerdan basan jong ka I League table bat ka kamai pra point kat ba ka Shillong Lajong FC pat ka la don ha ka kerdan ka bahinyo bat ka ne sa hinyo point.
How the things are rolled out here. A dream start to a historic occasion.
Perfect setting, perfect performance from the team. Came out of the dugout with only one thing in mind: go for the win. A lot of chances created by both the teams, but clinical was Delhi FC. Shriyata opened the scoring.
Yeah, again, Danilo pulled it back. Shriyata, little space to work on, and very quick thinking. Did it perfectly. The left foot struck beneath the crossbar and went into the goal, and that was Shriyata's first ever goal in the I League, his career.
Couldn't have been more perfect, that finish. Almost like those difficult indirect free kick chances inside the box.
You know what, from the word go, Shillong Lajong looked very rusty, and look at that. Sanson is complete howler. Just give the chance for that equalizer again.
Well, but apart from that moment, nothing given away to Shillong. It was all Delhi FC, attacks after attacks. The flag went up on this occasion against Douglas Tardin, and hence the frustration kept building.
He didn't fire. Things didn't change much. With the change of ends, Delhi kept on pressing. They maintain a high back line. But Shillong Lajong, again, defensively, they were absolutely disastrous. A free header allowed. Shriyata, beautiful assist that. And Sifin Binong, that lovely turn.
And the trademark celebration as well. He just makes everyone know he belongs here. And later on, the clearance felt kindly for Himanshu Jangra, who opens his scoring tally for the season.
He shows why he is so special. The referee did a great thing. He allowed advantage, and Himanshu pounced onto that. Body in perfect position.
Well, a few yellow cards coming out after that moment. And this was a bit of a heated moment in the match.
But again, the good sense prevailed. Monsanga also being shown that yellow card.
And then Daniel Gonsalves later, a second yellow and a red. So third time now in this season we have seen the centre-back getting a couple of yellows and being sent off. Twice for Aizol, now for Shillong.
And again, Delhi FC, Tondol.